Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. Here's an update on this October nor'easter that is ramping up this evening and continues overnight. Rain, downpours at times, especially in the southern half of the state, but the wind, the bigger issue. It picks up some gusts to 55, maybe even 60 miles per hour out at the coast. Scattered power outages, a possibility from even Concord and points to the south and east. We've got rain continuing to move through. For the most part, it's light to moderate, but there will be some heavier pockets as we continue on through the overnight. Big nor'easter just moving around out over the open ocean and intensifying as it's moving toward us. High wind warning has been posted by the National Weather Service until noontime tomorrow for the immediate coast, because watch this, future wind gusts indicating there could be some gusts above 50 miles per hour in Portsmouth by about midnight. And notice that the wind gusts are strong even in Laconia, Concord, Manchester and Jaffrey. So down power lines, down tree limbs, certainly a possibility overnight, and it continues into the early morning hours on Wednesday. Finally, by midday Wednesday, not the core of the strongest wind gusts, but still some occasional strong gusts. We will end the strong winds as we go through to the overnight Wednesday night and into Thursday. Power outage risk is high at the immediate coastline, and then medium threat for Rochester, Concord, Manchester, Nashua, low the more to the north and to the west you are. So to prepare for this, charge devices, be ready for outages, secure your Halloween decorations, and if you haven't already, clear the storm drains of any leaves. With this heavy rain, it can cause some big puddles if the water is able to pond and not get down through the drains. So we'll continue to have rain, especially in southern New Hampshire. It'll be a damp morning again in those southern areas before finally the system pulls away. In the afternoon will be mostly cloudy and drying out. Looks like sunshine for Thursday. Now also at the coast, we have some concerns at the high tide times. Thankfully, we are at astronomically low times right now, so the high tide isn't the highest it could be. But at 4:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. tomorrow, the time of the high tides, could be some splashover and minor flooding. Rainfall up over an inch possible throughout Rockingham County and out toward the seacoast. Severe weather impact day tomorrow, mainly in the morning due to the rain and the wind. It's sunny. We're drying out, mid-50s on Thursday and into Friday. The next storm system arrives Friday night into Saturday, but we do clear in time for trick-or-treating on Sunday.